Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. I just did the video about the 3D writing on the 3D, so I changed the colors and kind of played around with it. And I did a video probably a couple years ago on this, but it's a really cool effect. Control G to group all that together, then Control D to make a duplicate. Move your center rotation anywhere out here, and then rotate it just so it gets to that other point. You could even have it that close, and then just Control D, and you could just keep going all the way around the circle. I think it looks better just, if you were going to do it for real, well, let's do it for real. You'd want to end up even, so what we have to do is take that first one. It doesn't matter where you put it, but we're going to rotate it, let's say 10 degrees to see what it looks like. That looked pretty good. Control D, rotate it 10 degrees, Control D, and that could be used for something. Not necessarily 3D and writing on it, but that's a pretty cool effect. So just think about when you're doing something, you could just rotate it from any angle. I'm going to back up here and get away with the duplicates. And let's just delete a couple. And the idea behind this is just Control D, make a duplicate, and then just move it up, and then Control D, just kind of like it's popping out. That's the video I did years ago on almost the same subject. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.